Welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we are going to solve the past paper. The question says the figure shows the blood donor and recipient. Study the figure and answer the questions that follow. So the blood group 4 dunalu. Blood group 1, blood group 2, 3, 4. There are 4 blood groups. The first thing we need to look at is the direction of arrow. The direction of arrow tago first nalu. Question number 1 gidi identify the blood group labeled X and Y. So and the X image and the Y image. So identify beni. The universal donor can donate to all other blood groups. So the blood group X is universal donor imebade because the universal donor, the blood group X can donate to different blood group. Any blood group gidi ani luya donate betube ani luya donate betube blood group Y luya donate betube ani beudalu. The blood group X is known as universal donor. So which blood group is known as universal donor? Blood group O. So level X is blood group O. Blood group O. And so label Y the so arrow is coming towards blood group Y, which shows the blood group Y can receive blood from all other blood groups. Blood group Y can receive a blood from any blood group nale, blood group X nale yatube, tale any blood group nale yatube, which means any the universal recipient imebale. Universal recipient. Which blood group is known as universal recipient? Blood group AB is known as universal recipient. The blood group X is blood group AB. Next question, which blood group is considered as universal recipient? Why? So we have already discussed about universal donor and universal recipient in the question number 1. The blood group AB is known as universal recipient because blood group AB has no antibody, but has antigens A and antigen B. The blood group AB is considered as universal recipient because blood group AB has no antibodies, but blood group AB has both the antigens A and antigens B. Blood group AB has no antibody, therefore the donor antigens will not be destroyed. Therefore the clumping of blood will not happen. Therefore the universal recipient is blood group AB. So thank you, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos.